Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to my channel. In this clip I want to introduce a package for having a pathfinding algorithm in Unity. For example, I don't know, BFS or greedy BFS or Dijkstra and other algorithm for having pathfinding in Unity. Okay, let's take a look at this package over here. The Brizov released this package 4 years ago, this project 4 years ago. As you can see, there is several kind of pathfinding, BFS, breadth first search, and greedy burst first search, and also this guy Dijkstra and a times, and for the here with the aggressive history, it doesn't active the obstacle in the main, or yeah, for this guy, I don't know, it no, ignores the obstacle. Okay, first you should need to download the zip file, the whole project, and use and drag and drop assets folder into your project folder. I will share the link of this package in the description of this video. Over here we can have pathfinding algorithm, a folder which has scenes, prefab scripts here for Pathfinder. It is the core of Pathfinder for each one, for each algorithm itself. And here in the scene, first look at this. It is an empty scene with just a main camera and this grid. This grid has the same grids for each algorithm. Here, look at this. These are the tiles of each one. But here, if you open the grid script in the void update, we will see we can active all the algorithms one by one. For example, number 1 launch BFS, number 2 Dijkstra, number 3 star, here number 4 greedy BFS. Okay, and escape is fine. Okay, now let's take a look at the first one. Look at this. This is the first point, this is the end point. So it is scanned everywhere and find a better solution. Number 2, it is scanned everywhere and obstacles. Look at this. The blue one is the and the green obstacle. Number 3, excellent. And number 4, this is the direct way. Ignore the obstacle. Okay. You can find you can call this function at anywhere you want and find the pathfinder. Call the pathfinder at any time you want in your script. Okay. I hope this short tutorial will be helpful for you. Don't hesitate to ask any question related to Unity, AR, VR, and XR. Subscribe to my channel and like this video if you like it. Have a great time. Bye bye.